birds are back after me. Huh? What do you want? What do you want? Food? Sorry, no food. What do you want, angry bird? Huh? Whoop. Yeah, you need a new jacket, don't you? Oh my god, he's pecking at the jacket. Let's see. Okay, so this is what we got going on today here in the van. All of this old backsplash for the stove area I started peeling up because look at it. It is just horrible and ugly. Sorry I don't got a lot of light and it's getting dark. So yeah, we're getting rid of that and I'm gonna put this stuff up here. I bought this from the dollar store. Yeah, that might look a little bit better. Oh, alarm is going off. Means my potatoes are done. Yeah, so anyways, that's what we're gonna put up there. So I guess I could have opened the back door and get some light in. But anyways, we're gonna scrape it off and try and do something with it. Make it look a little bit nicer. So anyways, carry on, Chucky. I don't know if that's a little better lighting on this. Man, not really. Ugly. Still a bit ugly, but a little bit nicer. So yeah, I just peeled it off. It's like wallpaper. So, and I think what I'm gonna do is wipe it down with Moldex, let it dry for a day before I re-stick this stuff up. So that's what we will do. So I took off these ugly vinyl little spacers there to hide the transition, and I'm thinking I would like to get rid of those ugly things. Maybe I could put a piece of wood in there, stain it and clear it or something to that effect. These just don't cut it anymore, and the same color as stain, maybe I'll do this the same way, this edging. So just some small changes to the van. Okay, this is the first time I tried the lighting on my camera, but anyways, the original color of the van walls was yellowy. So, yeah, I guess it is coming in. So that's a white, and that's an ugly, pale, piss, not even piss yellow, just ugly yellow. Scraping. Okay, this here is what I used. Moldex, mold killer. So I sprayed it down once, let it soak, wiped it down, took all the little crap off. Little bits of whatever wallpaper stuff. Then I sprayed it a second time, let it sit a while, and then I cleaned it off again. Now I'm gonna let it dry for the weekend because I'm going away to Vancouver Island. So excited. And that's the state we'll leave it in for now. Then when I get back next week, I'm gonna put this on. And the other thing I did, I found some nicer close-off moldings for there, and I might even put here. So I'll show you the moldings when I buy them. So that is the state of things at the moment, and yeah, I'm excited. Small little changes, so cool, right? Okay, so I picked up molding today, and this is what it looks like. Is that coming in clear? Clear as a bell, yes. So this is the molding that I'm gonna use to transition that ugly spot out. See? We're going to stain this molding, and I think the leaves, maybe I'm gonna do like gold, or like a gold foil look, because that way it'll kind of match the brown curtains, and my latches are gonna be a browny, goldy color, bronzy. So that is the situation, and instead of that ugly Naugahyde, see? Yeah, that will look a lot better. And the Naugahyde back there. So that is the plan, Stan. I think these little bits will look much better. 16 bucks for that strip. So I might have to buy a second one. I'm not sure. Depends. Yeah, definitely gonna need two. So I just haven't decided everywhere where I'll put it. Yeah, mostly the Naugahyde. So to get rid of, or vinyl, whatever that crap is. So that is the plan. Awesome. Bonus, bonus, bonus. I actually like this molding a lot. So that is going to look good around my edgings. And on this side, I'm going to put it up there too. I'm pretty sure, not 100% on that side, but this side's getting it. So this is going to be a short video. However, if you go to my other channel, What's Up Chuck, you will see my newest videos of touring around Vancouver and what's going on here. So I'll put a link somewhere here or down there. I don't know. It'll be somewhere in this screen anyways. So like I say, it's going to be short, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers. See you next time. Love the comments. I really appreciate it. I'll do a thank you next video. And remember, I talk about in my other channel, What's Up Chuck, I'm going to Vancouver Island in a week. So I don't know what I'm going to videotape there. So that should be a lot of fun. Vancouver Island, Nanaimo, wherever else out there. Probably just Nanaimo. So anyways, cheers. See you next time. Stay awesome.